before we go any further, before we take this matter any deeper, let us address the elephant in the room. Of course, my hair. It's an absolute disaster, guys. I honestly don't know what to do with my hair. Disaster, disaster, disaster. And I blame lockdown. I was watching Simply G. Shout out to Simply G. She is the real MVP. You guys should check out her channel. I was watching her channel and she was styling her braids like she's got box braids. And I was just saying, Sis G, I don't know what to do with my hair. And she said, do my banzi, girl. And so I'm here to do the banzis. So I'm going to take out these cornrows and I'm just going to take you guys along with me. Disclaimer, I've never done my hair before, but today is the day we're doing the things that needs to be done. And even for starters, I don't even have wool for braiding myself, so I'm going to use this ancient pulling socks. I don't know if I can salvage it, but I remember hearing people saying you could do your hair using pulling socks. So I'm going to try pull this out and then use it to do 4 bands after I take out this. What do you guys think about my nails? I did them myself. Lockdown. So I've got my little pink talcum here. I've got a cup of tea. You know, I love my tea. My pulling socks, scissors, and we'll see how it goes. Tell me, guys, how are you managing with your hair situation on lockdown? Mina, for me, it's just been, I officially give up with my hair because I tried. I've been washing it. Honestly, let me just say, there are certain things that I just told myself, this I'll never even bother myself with. I feel like doing my own hair is a waste of time when I've got an option. I've never had to force myself to come up with an option. Like, I could always ask my sisters to do my hair or my friends or whoever, but by now my sister is sick and tired of me asking her to help me with my hair. I can't go to the salon. My hair is falling out. I'm realizing if I don't do something about this, by the time lockdown ends, I'll be bald. Guys, tea is such a good way of getting yourself hydrated. It really helps a lot with getting you to drink more water, and we all know water is the key to good skin, to weight loss, detoxification. So if you can't get yourself to just drink plain water, then try tea. But the growth in my hair, hey, I respect all the ladies who do their own hair. Seriously, I do. Guys, I'm even just thinking of leaving my hair like this. It looks cute though, doesn't it? But anyways, the agenda, the objective of this mission is to do the things with my banzi. Alright, so I'm just going to try, and I'm actually watching Netflix whilst I'm doing my hair because I realized the boredom will kill me. So I'm watching Blood and Water. Hey guys, I don't know what's happening with this school system in this series, because now at my high school, the things that these children do, hey, my teachers would assassinate you. My teachers, I can say my high school experience really traumatized me, guys. Look at me, how many years later? Is it not even 10 years later now? And still fresh on my mind. I was traumatized. So I'm just splitting it in half like this, and then I don't know how you can turn this into thread, but what desperate, huh? But Blood and Water, guys, hey, it's juicy. It's juicy. The things those children do. My 17-year-old self. Woo! Looking at these kids, I would say my 17-year-old self was a saint. Shame. My 17-year-old self loved things, but I wasn't to this extent, huh? I wasn't to this extent. The parties that they go to, bowling, living their best life. It's almost as if like they are independent. They are grown-ups in school uniforms. These kids surrender. Okay, so I've done it like this. I hope this will work. Let me just quickly try and brush through my hair, and then another reason why I hate doing my hair is because it's so sore. It's really sore. I'd rather someone else handle it and I just complain. Even my natural hair is even worse, because my natural hair is so kinky. It's hard Mashona type. That's exactly my type of hair. I just accepted that, and so I make the most of a bad situation. I know with my banzi, the ones that I'm doing, I want to do like the 4-bun. This middle line here, this one I don't think I'm going to win with it. I'm just going to try my best. I would have really loved to have someone do this for me, guys. I have so much respect for my hairdresser. This is just something else. I respect the people who do hair, guys. This is hard work. Hard labor. I'd charge a lot if I was doing people's hair, because first things first, it takes patience, and clients can be demanding. I know I'm definitely one of those demanding clients who's like, my lines must be perfect, symmetry on point, everything on fleek, like I want it done how I want it, and that's that. But my hairdresser, God bless her soul, that woman, she is just, now I appreciate her more than ever. I can safely say this took me maybe 30 minutes to do, but I think for a professional it would be like 10 minutes. So first things first, I'd like to say big ups to the hair channels on YouTube, people who do their own hair. Big ups to any woman who can do their own hair, and most of all, big ups to my hairdresser. Now I'm just going to quickly make it slay by just laying my edges, you know. One thing that I know about hair, guys, gel, toothbrush. No matter how bad the hairstyle is, gel and a toothbrush will fix it very quickly. At least will make it presentable. Let me not say fix it. And some hairspray. Then. I wish I had gotten box braids before lockdown began, because then none of this would have been an issue. But at this point, we're just making the most of a bad situation. We're just making the most of it, and at least we're healthy and well and alive, and that is most important above everything else. Like, above everything else, that is the most important thing. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Check me out on Instagram at yeukai.loreen, Facebook at yeukai.loreen, and check out my business page Wholesome Express on Instagram. Thank you so much, guys. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you so much. Mwah.